Cost sheet problems part 2. In previous class we have discussed two problems. In this class we also discuss some more problems, okay, for a different way. Question number 3. Prepare cost sheet. Find out cost per unit. Find out cost per unit and profit per unit also. So cost sheet prepare cheyali and also find out cost per unit and also prepare profit per unit. Okay, read the question. Raw material consumed directly given 30,000. It is come under prime cost. Okay, direct labor 18,000. Okay, it is prime cost. Machine hours worked 1800 hours. Machine is worked under factory overheads. Okay, machine hour rate 5 rupees per hour. So 1800 into 5, 9,000 rupees is machine hour work rupees. Factory overheads. So 30,000 plus 18,000. Add to say 48,000. That is called prime cost. So machine hours worked 1800 into 5, 9,000. Add to 57,000. It is called work cost or factory cost. Administration overheads 20% on work cost. So 20% will be calculated on the work cost. Okay, then we will get the cost of production. Selling overheads 50 paisa per unit sold. So selling expenses 50 paisa per unit. Units production 34,200. Units sold 32,000. So selling expenses will be 32,000 into 50 paisa, 16,000 rupees. So here units produced 34,200 rupees. So it will be calculate cost per unit for 34,200 units. Okay. Next, 32,400 units are produced and sold 32,000. So there is a unsold stock. Closing stock of finished goods 2,200 units are unsold units. It means closing stock of finished goods. Okay. Next, we have to prepare the cost sheet. Okay. Cost sheet particulars rupees. Okay. So raw material consumed. Raw material consumed 30,000 rupees. Direct labor, add direct labor. Okay, 18,000. Add 48,000 rupees. It is called prime cost. Okay, prime cost. Next, add factory overheads. Factory overheads. It means machine hours work. Machine hours worked. Hours worked. 1800 into 5 rupees per hour. 5 rupees per hour equal to 9,000 rupees. Add. So 57,000 rupees is cost of factory. So it is called cost of production or factory cost. So factory cost will be 57,000. Factory cost or works cost. Okay. Next, add admin office and administration overheads. Administration overheads. So administration office and administration overheads are 20% on the work cost. So 20% on work cost. 20% on work cost. So 57,000 into 20%. So it will become under 11,400. Okay. Add 68,400 rupees is cost of production. Cost of production. Okay. Cost of production will be comes. Next, minus closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of finished goods. So we should give some gap. Okay, because there is a working note. So units production. Units produced 34,200 units. Cost of production is 68,400. 68,400. So cost per unit equal to 68,400 by 34,200 equal to 2 rupees per unit. Cost per unit is 2 rupees per unit. Okay, so the closing stock of finished goods 34,000 units, 200 units are produced and sold 32,000. Remaining are closing stock of finished goods 2,200 into 2 rupees. Okay, multiply the 4,400 rupees here closing stock of finished goods. So next 68,400 minus 4,400 it will be 64,000. Okay, 64,000 rupees. It is called cost of goods sold or cost of goods sold. Okay, minus next add selling and distribution overheads. Selling expenses are 50 paisa per unit. So sales 32,000 units. So sold units 32,000 units into 50 paisa. 32,000 units into 50 paisa is 16,000 rupees. Okay, total 80,000 rupees. Okay, 80,000 rupees will be total cost. Total cost. Profit. Sales here 32,000 units sold for rupees 4. 32,000 units are sold for rupees 4. 1,28,000 rupees. 1,28,000 rupees. Remaining is 1,28,000 rupees sales. Total cost 80,000. We should get profit 48,000. Here asked prepare cost sheet. The cost sheet is prepared. Find out cost per unit. Cost per unit is 2 rupees per unit. Profit per unit. So profit is 48,000. So profit per unit. Profit per unit equal to total profit by units sold. Total profit is 48,000. Units sold 32,000. Then we get profit per unit is 1 rupee 50 paisa. Okay, 1 rupee 50 paisa per unit profit. This is also some important sum for degree students. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, next problem. Next problem, fourth problem, cost sheet problems part 2. Okay, next prepare cost sheet. Here these items are given. We should post in the cost sheet pro forma. Okay, prepare cost sheet. Opening stock of raw material 25,000. It is come under prime cost. Okay, purchase of raw material prime. We should add it. Closing stock of raw material come under prime. Carriage inward prime. Okay, next direct wages prime. So opening stock plus purchase plus carriage inwards minus closing stock is called material consumed. Add direct wages prime cost. Okay, indirect wages factory. Okay, other direct charges prime. Next rent office factory is given. So office is office, factory will be factory. Okay, office rent, factory rent. Indirect material consumption 500 rupees. Okay, so 500 rupees is material given. So opening stock of raw material 25,000, purchase of raw material 85,000, closing stock of raw material 40,000, carriage inward 5,000, direct wages 75,000, indirect wages 10,000, other direct charges are 15,000, rent office 500, factory 5,000, indirect consumption of material 500 rupees, depreciation plant and machinery 1,500 rupees, depreciation office furniture 500 rupees, depreciation plant and machinery. So it is factory, office furniture, office. Okay, next salary, office salary, office, salesman salary, selling. Okay, next other factory expenses are factory. Okay, next other office expenses are office. Manager remuneration 12,000. It will be given in the adjustment sum. Manager remuneration is overall factory 4,000, office 2,000, selling 6,000. So 12,000 will be equal 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 6,000. So here manager remuneration, factory manager remuneration 4,000, office manager remuneration 2,000, selling manager remuneration is 6,000. Okay, bad debts, selling, traveling expenses, selling, carriage outward, selling, sales, finally. Advance income tax will be not taken. Cash discount, selling. Okay. We should prepare cost sheet for this problem. Please note down the question and we can easily solve the problem. Okay. So we will solve this problem. So problem. So opening stock of raw material 25,000 rupees. Okay. Solution. Particulars cost sheet. Particulars rupees. Opening stock of raw material. Okay. Opening stock of raw material 25,000. Add purchase of raw material 85,000. Add carriage inward 5,000. Okay. Total will be 1,15,000 minus closing stock of raw material. Closing stock of raw material is 40,000. We get the material consumed. Material consumed will be 75,000. Okay, 75,000 rupees material consumed. Material consumed, opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material plus carriage inward minus closing stock of raw material. We get the material consumed. Add direct wages. 75,000. Other direct expenses. Other direct charges is 15,000. So 75 plus 75, 150 plus 165,000. It is called prime cost. Okay, prime cost. Next, factory overheads. Factory overheads. Like F. We already put F in the question. Okay. F here, factory rent. Factory. Amount 5,000. Next, indirect consumption of material. 500. Okay. Next, depreciation. Plant and machinery is 1,500. Depreciation plant and machinery 1,500. Next, salary of manager remuneration. Factory given 4,000. Next, other factory expenses. Other factory expenses 5,700. Next, those are the factory expenses. We should add, and we will get the cost of factory cost. Okay, 26,700. Those items will be 5,000, 5,500, 1,500, 4,000, 5,700. Wages, indirect is 10,000 rupees. All those items will be 5,000, 500, 1,500, 10,000, 4,000, 5,700. So we will get 26,700 rupees. Next, we will be add 1,91,700. We will get the factory cost or work cost. Factory cost. Okay, add office and administration overheads. It means office expense will be taken. Okay, rent office here we given 500. Okay, next, depreciation on office equipment. So office furniture 100 rupees. 100. Next, office salaries. Office salaries. Office salaries 2500. Okay. So manager remuneration. Office. Manager remuneration office is given 2000. 2000. Okay. Other office expenses. Other office expenses. Other office expenses are 900. Okay. Next, those expenses are going to come under in the office and administration overheads. Add those items. We will get 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. Okay. We should add it. 1,97,007 rupees. Cost of production. Cost of production. Okay. Next, add selling and distribution overheads. Selling and distribution overheads. Selling expenses like salesman salaries. Salesman salary. Salesman salary is 2000. Salesman salary 2000. Next, bad debts. Bad debts. Bad debts written off rupees 1000. Manager remuneration. Manager remuneration. Selling. Come under 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. Next, some other items will be shown. The board is not sufficient. I am rubbing these items. Okay. Next, so salesman salary, bad debts, manager remuneration. Next, advertising. Advertisement. Advertisement expenses 2000. Okay. Next, traveling expenses. Advertisement, traveling expenses. Traveling expenses are 1100. Okay. Carriage outward. Carriage outward is 11,000 rupees. Okay. Next, cash discount. 5,000 rupees. Add all these items: salesman salary, bad debts, manager remuneration, cash discount, advertisement, traveling expense, carriage outward, 13,600 rupees. Total all these items. Okay. Cash discount is 5,000. So cash discount is 5,000. Will be added items 2,000, 6,000, 7,000, 9,000, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 18,100. Add. So 900. 1,97,700, 18,100, 800, 15, 10, 11, 2,15,800, 2,15,800. Okay. Next, sales. Sales will be 2,50,000. Sales will be 2,50,000. So we will get less. So 2,50,000 minus 2,15,800. So 200. So 4. 34,200 rupees is profit. Okay. Total cost profit. This is the problem. Okay. You have to find out the cost. Thank you for watching this class. If you like my class, please subscribe our channel. We will be explain all chapters regarding cost sheet, material, labor. All chapters will be explained in detailedly in further classes. Okay. Remaining chapters like management, accounting, funds flow statement, cash flow statement, ratio analysis, we are all explaining the next classes in the separately. Okay, so please subscribe our channel, make it a grand success. My name is Venkat Durgarao, VDR channel. Thank you.